This video is how to remove and replace worn out golf club. First, I'll take these rubber clamps, put them around the shaft, put them in the vise, lining up the head, make sure the head's straight. Don't over tighten, you don't want to crack in the shaft. And then I'll take a nice razor blade and cut the old one off, being careful that you don't go too deep, because this is a graphite shaft. You don't want to nick the shaft. Now rip the shaft off. Then you might have to cut it a couple more times. Just remove it. Alright, now that your shaft's off, use some of this double-sided tape. On the club. This is just any double-sided tape you can get on Amazon for golf clubs is what I usually just get. It's usually a pretty good price. I'll clear the white part off. Leave about a 1/4 inch on the end so you can fold it into the golf club. And then take some grip solvent. I'll put like a few sprays on there. Take your new grip, put a couple sprays in the end. And I usually like to use compressed air. This nice little handy tool. Stick in the end with about 40 to 60 pounds of pressure. I usually use it. Slide the grip on. Sure the grip's straight. It's all the way on. And there you have it. How to regrip golf club. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Hope this helped you out.